Hey guys, got a 2024 plate Audi Q3 here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. So on this one, we're going to come to the screen on the centre of the dash. From here, we're going to press the home button in the top right hand corner. Then go to car. Then settings and service. Then go to tyre pressure loss indicator. Now first make sure all your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressures. And then press store tyre pressures. Yes, store now. And that's it. In front of you, it'll flash up with a low tyre pressure sign. And then once it goes off, that's calibrated.